Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show today the BMW 1 Series service reset. So put the key on ignition on and press and hold the trip button, and then you will get the service reset. And then use the switch on the indicator, scroll up and down to get into the service maintenance reset position, and then use the BC button on the side and then press and hold, and it will ask to reset, and then press once again. Then it will reset the service reminder. So you need to press once at the end to save the resetting into the system. That's it. It's pretty easy. All the 1 series are same. So thank you very much to watching my video.